Welcome back, Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More, and Doug's Top Dogs. We're doing a video today. We're going to put it on both channels. We're going to do a collaboration with Just Cook That Damn Food, hashtag St. Patty's 2026. I believe that's correct. I'll verify that and put it on the screen. Anyways, you'll hit that hashtag. A bunch of other creators are in it, doing their own renditions of St. Patty's Day stuff. Well, for me, since I'm just getting into this hot dog business, we're going to do two hot dog themed, St. Patty's Day themed hot dog dishes. So let's check it out. All right, since we're doing hot dogs, we have hot dogs. So I got, these are old Vienna beef, all beef hot dogs, quarter pounders. I got one there, and I got one that's split. Bread, we got some rye bread, and we got, this one here is a Martin's potato roll, but like a hoagie style that I cut down a little bit because I want a heftier bun. We got some Swiss cheese, we got some seasoned potatoes, we got some corned beef, we got some cabbage with onions, we got some sauerkraut. We got over here Russian dressing, and we got some sriracha mayo and a little bit of Blues Hog all-purpose. So you ask, what are we making? Well, this is what we're going to make. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do basically your traditional Reuben, but it's going to be a Reuben dog. So we got our rye bread, sauerkraut, Swiss cheese and Russian dressing, and of course a hot dog. Second one we're going to do, putting on the Martin's hoagie roll. This one we're going to do quarter pound dog, and we're going to top that with we're going to do our little play on corned beef and cabbage. So we're going to fry up some coleslaw cabbage, kind of Asian style, but not really. That with some potatoes, seasoned potatoes, and onions, a little salt, pepper, garlic. And then we're going to top that on top of the hot dog. And then we're going to put some sriracha mayo on top of that. And that's going to be our two St. Patty's Day 2026 creations. So let's get at it. I need to get at it quick before it gets dark. Sun's going down. Anyways, it's middle of March here in St. Louis, Missouri. It's like 70-something degrees out. Tomorrow, it's going to drop down and snow. That's just how the Midwest is. But here we go. Let's get cooking. So first thing we need to do is get some hot dogs down. So we're going to put a little oil down for them here. Get them a nice sear. All right, so we got them hot dogs rocking. Next up, let's get our coleslaw onions going. Next to that, some potatoes. A little salt, pepper, and garlic. Potatoes I got here, these are that green bag brand that you see, the green bag that you see by the eggs and stuff in the store. I'm trying to think of the name of it. I can't think of the name of it right now. But yeah, this is really good potatoes. Coleslaw, just a tricolor coleslaw mix. Just an onion cut up. All right, we're gonna get these things cooked up here, so no sense boring you too long. Get the hot dogs nice and crusted up. Get this cabbage, potatoes all looking beautiful. Get that corned beef down. Get that warmed up. That doesn't take no time, and then we can start assembling. We're rocking out the cook on the good old Halo. I haven't had this thing out in a while, cooking on it, so we're getting that rolling. All right, let's get some corned beef down. Want to get that crispened up a little bit. Since I've been busy working, didn't really have time to make my own corned beef, so I picked this up on the way home from work today from a local bar and grill that does corned beef and cabbage around this time. And it was pretty good, so that's why I picked them. Pretty good corned beef and cabbage. Get my cutting board down. There we go. All right, first thing, let's build the Reuben dog. So we got some rye here. We're going to get this buttered up on my little butter wheel. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our hot dog down. Now let's get some of our corned beef on top here. A couple slices of Swiss. Let's get the dome on it. Now it's looking. Throw a couple cubes of ice down there. Alright, looking beautiful. Now, one thing I forgot to warm up, let's get that sauerkraut warmed up real quick. All right. Sauerkraut on there. Just like that. Next up, we need some Russian dressing. Get the top on it. All right, here we go. Let's get that one set aside here. All right, next up, let's get our Martin's potato roll. I think we're going to toast that up here. We'll just throw a little butter oil down. Be easier than trying to roll this big honking thing all over the place. See how we're looking. There we go. All right. So this one we're going to put some Swiss cheese down first. We'll get our dog in the middle. It's crispy corned beef over there. Get the potatoes. Potatoes up on that side. Get some of that cabbage on top. And then some sriracha mayo. Just like that. Let's cut this bad boy. Just a little cross-cut section right there. How's that looking? Looking good. All right, guess what? It's time to give them a taste. So, double taste test here. First up, we're going to go with the traditional Reuben plus the dog. Calling this the Reuben dog. Get a nice look at that. Beautiful. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful right there. You get all those good Reuben vibes to it. Plus you get that crispy Vienna beef hot dog in there on top. Man, that's good. That's good stuff right there. Can't go wrong with that. We have to serve that up on a cart during St. Patty's Day. All right, now let's go check this bad boy out. This is my play on hot dog, corned beef, and cabbage. Now this is a monster. That's why I chose a bigger bun. So we can get that thing compacted up here. And here we go. Trying to think the best way to get into it. Kind of falling apart, kind of fell through that Martin, so maybe need something a little sturdier on an Amoroso roll, but we'll get that thing back together. I don't know, but that's freaking good right there. Boy, let me get another bite of that. That's good. Going into it, I kind of thought the Reuben dog would be my favorite, but I'm telling you what, I don't know. That's play on corned beef and cabbage hot dog. Man, that's good. Crispy Vienna beef on the griddle. I do dig that. Wish I would have chose maybe the Amoroso, cut that down a little sturdier roll to hold it, hold all those goods to it. But man, all that stuff works together. It's beautiful. Sriracha mayo on there. Can't go wrong. But that is it for this video. But yeah, you'll be checking this thing out on Griddle Cook Eat More, my original channel, and my new channel for my hot dog cart, Doug's Top Dogs. So if you're subscribed to one, check out the other channel, subscribe to that. I'll have links there for you, or either vice versa, whatever. Anyways, like the video, share the video, help me out. But that's it for this one. Once again, thank Rich at Just Cook That Damn Food for starting this collaboration. St. Patty's 2026. I'll have it up on the screen for you. Verify to make sure I got the right one. So that's it. I'm going to finish part of these dogs here. This is my dinner too, so I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.